Jerry, it's Jerry over at Nissan Irvine. Just want to show you a quick tour on the 2020 NB passenger van 3500. Let's go ahead and get started with the front here, right? So notice you'll have the rear sonar system. So let's say you're getting too close to a post, or if you're parallel parking and getting too close to the car in front of you, it'll go ahead and warn you there. You also have these hooks here if you need to get pulled out of any situation, or if you need to help someone get pull them out. You have these steel alloy wheels here, right? Let me go ahead and show you the back before I get with the interior, right? Back here, you're gonna also have rear sonar systems. So sensors in the back. You got a tow hitch. You got these little magnet things, and that's only if you want to open the door. It'll automatically like close here without like it slamming there and making that big noise, loud noise that we all hate. Check this out. So if you want to extend that out, simply gonna go right here and just there we go, and then you're gonna push it up, and it's gonna open all the way. And notice it doesn't slam. It's actually, it's a magnet, so it holds still. You have a little latch here if you want to open up this side as well, and you can do the same thing with this side, just by pushing this over. Right, so right here we have the back. You're gonna have that nice, beautiful almond interior. Right here you'll have an outlet. Right. You can always put these seats down, or if you want to, you can always pull them out. You have wheels here, so it's not that heavy. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times. Let me go ahead and show you the passenger side. Open this side here now. Step there, like I mentioned before, you're gonna have that beautiful almond interior, leather seats. Your cup holders, you simply just pull those out. If you want to open those windows, they can as well. Just simply push open. Right, and like I mentioned before, you can always bring the seats, take the seats off if you want to. It does come with covers. You can always bring this passenger side down and use it to do homework, any laptop, any office work. Pulls down pretty flat. You put your laptop here, any paperwork. Even on this center console, it has a little hole here. You can actually attach a clipper. Even shows a little picture of a clipper here. Just attach paper. I've seen a lot of my customers do that. Right over here, we're gonna have the book department. Right, and right here you're gonna have your owner's manual, booklet, cup holders, more cup holders. Let's check out the inside of this. Alright, so pretty roomy. You can always take this off if you don't need it, or if you want the extra room. Back here we have seat warmers, we have traction control if you want to turn off your sonar system. You have the U 2.0 USB port, and of course a port to the auxiliary port. You'll have dual AC, right? No more fighting. You will have the he's and hers. You have a 6-inch touchscreen there with Series XM navigation system, CD player, apps. So if you want to connect your phone, everything pops up. You have hands-free texting and calling. Right. Up here we're gonna have the sunglasses, storage. Right, and you can also control the back there. So those are those knobs. Forgot to mention, here, your air vents for the back, and of course lighting. Right. Let me show you the driver's side. All right, Peter, we're back at the driver's side. We're gonna have power seats, so you can always recline. All right, you can adjust the height. Power windows, auto lock. Of course, you can store some papers or even a coffee cup there if needed. You need to adjust your mirrors outside. All right, and then of course your lighting. Just go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So notice here you'll have buttons here to answer calls or hang up. You got volume buttons if you want to access your sources. Right. It even tells you the range on gas. So right now we have 60 miles till I'm running empty. Air vents there.